guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get things done. As you can see, the state of my house after we've been on holiday, there's extreme mess, clutter, laundry piling up. My to-do list is longer than my arm. I had no energy the first few days we got back. You know how you feel like you need a holiday after the holiday? Well, this is going to be a realistic tidy and clean with me. 3 days of me trying to get back on top of life and reset my home, and wait until you see the new cleaning gadget I've got and what I got out of my mattress. It's disgusting. So I'm going to crack on with the laundry, clean as I go, unpack boxes of random things and junk everywhere. Today I'm focusing on progress over perfection because this mess was just so overwhelming to me. It took me 3 days to build up the courage to actually get started on it. I just kept staring at it and saying, no, I can't face it. There was just too much. But today we're going to do it together. So if you're in need of some extreme cleaning motivation today and some deep cleaning inspo, then this video is definitely for you. So grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me, or grab a cuppa and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So the first day was mainly cleaning the kitchen, sorting all the bags, unpacking and doing loads and loads of laundry. As you can see, there was so much, it just kept coming out of nowhere. Right, it's the second day today, so I'm ready to get stuck in and get cleaning. I've just had a food shop delivery as well, so I'll just put all of that away, give the sides a quick wipe. We've still got so much laundry. Look, I've got to put the potatoes away, empty the bin. But first, to show you, I've got my new cleaning gadget and I cannot wait to test this out. I am going to open this up. Why do I get so excited over things like this? That I was worried about when we got back off holiday was the cat has managed to get into our bedrooms and been lying all over the furniture and everything. So obviously there's cat hairs everywhere, so all the beddings had to be washed. And I just want to really hoover the mattresses and everything else. And when I saw these, I thought this would be great to get the things that you can't see, like the mites and dust. Okay, I didn't actually realise that dust mites were a thing, so I had to share this with you guys. And that they live in our beds, our sofas, our soft furnishings, and normal vacuums can't remove them. And that's why I'm so excited today to be testing the Jimmy BX7 Pro Mite Vacuum. It's designed specifically to target dust mites and allergens. And look at my face here. I was gobsmacked at how good this thing is, and that it has a tiny little indicator here that shows you if it goes red, it's found dust or mites, so you know exactly where to clean. I'm so shocked at how much came out of my mattress, and the fact there is living little things in there is just grossing me out. And now that my bed's all clean, I'm going to go and get the washing off the line and put my fresh sheets straight onto my bed. Then I'm going to move on to my 6-year-old's bed, and it's fine because it's safe for families. You can use it on babies' bedding and children's bedding as well. I've used it on everything since I've had for a week now, and I have been going crazy in my home, sterilising everything. And that's the thing, you're not just vacuuming, you're actually treating the area as well. The UV light kills 99.99% of mites and bacteria, and while the ultrasound prevents them from growing back, so it blows out hot air that removes any moisture and creates an environment where the mites cannot survive. And it just made me feel so much better, especially seeing that dirt cup at the end was so satisfying. And did you know that a single gram of dust can contain up to 100,000 mites? Oh, it's disgusting, I know. But it's no wonder so many of us suffer with allergies. And I had to use it in my daughter's brand new, freshly decorated bedroom. We've done a room swap and there's been a lot of dust. So look at the indicator. You can actually have it in 3 modes as well. You can have it on just the vacuum, you can have the UV light on, you can have the tapping. But I just keep all 3 on because I just want the best and the cleanest result. I want to know that it's all been sterilised. And just that area there, this is what it came up. So look at these results. It's actually sucked up all of that dust. And let me tell you this, I vacuumed before I used the Jimmy BX7 Pro. So it is so good and I highly recommend. I've not stopped using it since I had it, and you can see me here. I am using on this pillow. I was so shocked. You'll see my face soon. It just glue up so red, and then you leave it over it and it actually cleans and sterilizes it, and it will turn blue when it's all clean. So if it's full red, it's really dirty. If it's half red, it's a little bit dirty, and then if it's blue, it's all clean. So you just leave it over until it's clean. I can't tell you how much fun it is to clean with this thing. So if you want to clean a healthier home, I can highly recommend trying this Jimmy BX7 Pro. I'll leave a link and a discount code in the description for you guys, and I'll also pop it on my Amazon storefront as well. Protect your home and your family. It's a game changer if you struggle with allergies. And thank you to Jimmy for sponsoring this part of the video. Now back to the clean. The bedroom's all finished. I've done all the carpet with the Jimmy as well, and the cat pulled the curtain rail down while we were on holiday, so just excuse that, and the paint. I also managed to declutter 3 bags as well, because this was before we did the room swap, so I'm trying to get rid of a lot of junk out of the house as well. Next, on to day 3, this was my lounge. It is absolutely a tip. Everything is everywhere. It's just piled up for weeks now before we went on holiday, so we're coming back afterwards and trying to do a room swap. It's just a bit chaotic, and you can see down there that there's my tent as well, and just so many toys, so many toys. So it all needs sorting out and organising, and a lot of decluttering, because there is so much junk everywhere and it's driving me soft. But the main goal of today's video was to get my house back on track. I can't get it perfect in one day. Like you can see, look at all this I've got to sit and sort now. Here's just an overview of the chaos, but it's about progress, not perfection. I'm not putting all that pressure on myself, because over the 3 days this was so much work, and I still feel like I'm not getting anywhere, but I will eventually. And you will have to come back for part 2 if you want to see all those satisfying before and afters, because I will have to put them side by side just so you can see how bad my house was. I used to get embarrassed sharing things like this, but I realised so many families have chaotic households like me. And they have mess, and it just feels so good to actually tackle it and try and help motivate you guys. As you can see, I just cleaned this table, and and Hope is doing some crafts on it already and got lots of glitter. Do you remember when I just tidied up down here? This is so much better. She's got all her art thingies there, or some of Play-Doh, more pens, ice cream set, bug finder, Polly Pocket, and a tea set there. Get in there, get in there. Put the big tent here. That was heavy. Look at the state of the floor. There's sand, Play-Doh, sequins, dust, crumbs, everything. This is a bag of clothes. You can go upstairs, mate. Can he really be comfortable like this? And now I'm going to zone clean this side of the room and try and get it to a livable state. It did take hours. I was so sweaty and fed up of feeling like I was getting nowhere, but I persevered and I carried on going. I just tidied that side of the room, but just for reality, check out that side of the room. And then I went off on a tangent and started cleaning underneath my sofa, as you do. It really needs a good vacuum and a good wash, if I'm honest. But I'm going to use my new cleaning gadget because I cannot stop using it. This was what was in mine and Hope's mattress and on the carpet in the main bedroom. So I'm just going to empty that, and then we're going to do the sofa and see what we can get out of there. To be honest, I think it should be quite clean because I do vacuum it regularly. But then I saw this. Red lights. Oh my gosh. But you hold it over it and it actually sterilises and cleans it. It's just so good. I really do love it, and I'm super grateful that I get to test cool products like this out because of you guys. So I wanted to just thank you guys once again for being here and for being so lovely. I really do appreciate every single one of you. And if you're not subscribed and you like my videos, then please do. I would love to have you here. And as you can see, I'm doing my little editing chair. Look at that. Did you see that? So much red. You can see Hope's little hands there. She's like, Mum, can I have a go? Can I have a go? So as you can see, there isn't actually that much dust. I was shocked, but there is more dust in our mattresses. How gross is that? So I'm just going to start wiping everywhere down now. I'm just using my usual spray, which is vinegar and soap and water. And look at this. I can't believe how dirty the windowsill was, but the cat loves to sit here, and there's always snacks and crumbs and everything everywhere because I have kids, you know, it just happens. So anyway, I've waffled on for far too long. I'm going to play some music for you guys and then I'll be back. Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you forgive me. Did you see me just clean that table? And then 5 minutes later, she's painting. But she's got a nice little clean corner to sit and do her arts and crafts in. So this is about as far as I got this day, because it was time to do dinner and crack on with, you know, other things that us moms have to do. So you're going to have to come back for part 2 if you want to see all the satisfying before and afters. Remember, the goal of today's video was progress over perfection. Do not put pressure on yourself to try and get everything done in a day. It took me 3 days and I still didn't get it done, but we made good progress. And I'll leave a link in the description to the Jimmy vacuum. Use my code, you'll get 25% off. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.